Patapusin muna.
Hindi mo ba tayo nagsimula? Kasi simula lang natin
Eh, dapat kung nagsimula tayo.
Madam Chair,
No. Not only the chair.
Ba't magsasalita ng ganyan?
Well, kayo ng salita na kayo. Kaya naman ito record.
Discarded by way of manifestation. There is no rule about that.
You have to get opinion of the members. Diba? You have to get the opinion of the members.
You get your members.
Yeah, of course. Let the members say their piece. Patapusin muna.
Hindi mo ba tayo nagsimula? Kasi simula lang natin
Eh, dapat kung nagsimula tayo.
Madam Chair, petition lang. May motion, seconded. Then magtanong ka kung may objection. Pero ma-object the deliberation. Para ma-deliberate. Yun. Let's follow the procedure. Pagdating tayo ng pag may objection, mag-deliberation tayo.
Hindi po yun eh. Tinatanong kasi, sagutin ninyo, if this community has the right to discard a well-kept tradition, is this committee authorized to set aside the tradition? That is the question that needs to be answered first and foremost.
Pwedeng pindutin yung mic.
Nagtatanong po ako bakit.
Incidental lang. Ako rin nag-incidental lang. Wala papasok sa mic natin.
To you, a long-standing, time-honored tradition. Ang tinatanong ko po, tradition po natin ito eh. Ang problema ay marami dito na yung point kaya hindi nila alam yung tradition. I am saying, Madam Chair, this was a tradition well kept for so long a time.
Would follow the rules, we would have a motion introduced by a member, but it was an objection.
Bago po yung
Yes, but sabi din,
I was asking for an answer.
the answer is,
Yung answer niya, the history of tradition of
Sabi ko mayroong tradisyon, pinapaliwanag ko na sa inyo. Ang tinatanong ko,
Dapat isunin muna. Kasi yung balisagot, nagbuga, nagbuga. Hindi nga eh.
Excuse po. Opo.
and it's extended at the start. At the start, it's extended before intervention. This is required because the measure is suspended, and it is also introduced by a member which will be parts of the motion. So it's follow the rule. There's no such authorization to set it aside.
magano'n na muna tayo para ma-record. Para ma-record. Wala na dapat tayo. Ang nangyari ay barrage of questions. That's why I'm asking. Bakit natin ginawa yun earlier? Are we not already respecting a tradition? Well-kept ko yun sa hindi nga pinagtatanong ni Jay. Meron pang prantinela, whatever. That is disrespect to the office of the President, Vice President. Wala na pinagtatanong niya sa kanila. These questions never happened before. That is the one I'm explaining to you. It did not happen before. Now, ang tanong ko po, bakit nangyari po nung nakaraan, nangyayari na naman ngayon? You may not like the person, you may not like her presence here, but you have to respect the office of the Vice President. That is all, because that is guided by the tradition. Kahapon po, kagaya po na sinabi nila, wala nang pinagtanong sa office of the President. And that is correct. That is in line with that tradition. Ngayon po, kung ang tinatanong ko ngayon, are we discarding the tradition? And is this committee authorized to discard a well-kept tradition? O kaya nga, then why are we intending to ask questions na naman at pinatawag nyo na naman kung sino-sino dito? That is why, kung hindi po kayo makakasagot, madam, ang tinanong ko na sa inyo, I am now moving. Oh. Ibrantinelo pa. Saan po kayo nakakita ng gano'n? This did not happen anytime. Pagpaglabing, bigas taong ko na po ito.
Alam nyo, Madam Stella, I was already here when the Vice President was Nonini Castro. When the Vice President was Binay. When the Vice President...
But you were also here in the last hearing. No motion was introduced.
Yun na nga, kasi question na kagad eh. Walang man lang...
You can read the records. You did not introduce.
Sana may motion siya ngayon.
But it's...
That is the manifestation of the Magdalena Napolita, and it should be answered by the members. You put motion, then after that, Napolita will want that motion. Hindi ba ka nasagot eh? Will we let this Napolita to speak? And then we move on to the motion. Sagutin muna. Sagutin muna yung
You can introduce the motion, but have a member.
or move a motion, parliamentary.
The rulings of the chair form part of the procedure. So you have to answer the reason.
Sagutin muna. Then saka mag-move. Saka mag-move.
Rulings of the chair form part of the rules because it will set a procedure. So if we will set a procedure now that we are discarding traditional courtesy, parliamentary courtesy. No, goodbye, parliamentary courtesy. Wala na tayong parliamentary courtesy. Next.
Dapat may first answer your query or your manifestation. Then after that,
Chairman ang tinatanong ko, pera naman dapat. May pera sasagot. The question is addressed to the chair. Why would the members answer that?
so we don't have the authority to speak.
Kalokohan naman yung pinagsasabi.
Hey, why the chairman only speak? Di ba kami pwede salita? We are also member, we just the same. Dati alam mo yun. Alam mo yun. Can the vice chair cannot answer your query if he has to answer? Pwede.
Pinag-uusapan natin ang chairman ang sasagot.
No, it is not only the
Bakit
chairman.
magsasalita ng ganyan?
Well, hindi ng salita na kayo. Kaya naman ito report. Hindi pwede magsalita yung iba. Hindi pwede yung chairman lang. Di ba? Di ba? Pwede mo yung dati. Sa parliamentary procedure in the House that the members cannot speak. Pwede. Di ba? Okay. Ano yun? Ang chairman ng House.
Sasagutin naman yung board. Same time.
The hearing is resumed.